Talk and sing with Miss Speech.
My name is Miss Natalie. I'm a licensed speech and language pathologist who works with kids. I also go as Miss Speech, and I make videos for toddler and preschool language development. The videos I'm doing now are focused on articulation, which is something I work heavily on in the schools. So this sound we're going to work on today is the L sound. Oh. I want you to start learning the L sound by taking your tongue and feeling behind your top teeth. I'll show you my little puppet and my toothbrush, and there's some ridges right behind your top teeth. Oh, alveolar ridge is what it's called, and that spot is where our tongue goes when we say the L sound. We can use the L sound in the initial, medial, and final positions of words. It's always about the same. It does change a little bit depending on what sounds are around it, but your tongue should always be touching that spot. So look, watch my puppet. The tongue goes up. Oh. If you look at this guide here, you see that the lips are open and you can see the bottom of the tongue go up. Oh. All right? So it's that simple. If you round your lips to say the L sound, a lot of kids do this and it sounds like a W. If I would say apple or wham for apple and lamb, then our L will sound a little bit like a W. But if you keep your tongue up there, apple, lamb, then you can hear the right production. All right, so let's practice a few times with our L sound in isolation. So that means we're just gonna say it by itself. I'm gonna get my puppet here and do the L sound 5 times. Ready? Oh, you do it too. Oh, feel your tongue go up. Oh, oh, and oh. Your voice is on during this sound, so it's a voiced sound. All right, next we're gonna practice in all the positions of words. Now, we only do this step if you have practiced a little bit and you feel confident in your production, because we don't want you practicing it the wrong way. So we'll start in the initial position. If you feel ready for this and you can have your tongue touch the top of your mouth at that ridge, oh, then we'll start. Ready? Watch my lips, they're not gonna round. The first 3 words we're gonna do are leaf. Leaf. Good, now you say it. Lizard. Lizard. You try it. And love. Love. Those are all in the beginning of words. Now we're gonna go to the medial position and we're gonna do some bigger words. Ready? Umbrella. Umbrella. You do it. Did you see my tongue go up? You try it. Dollar. Dollar. You do it. And last medial position is a long word, helicopter. Watch when my tongue goes up. Helicopter. Good job. All right, final position, which is when sometimes kids turn it into a vowel as well. We're gonna do ball. Watch my tongue, ball. Okay, you try it. Apple. Apple. And last one, pencil. Again, pencil. Okay, for the next part of the video, if you're confident, there's gonna be 10 seconds for each picture. I want you to say them 3 times or as many times as you can while you see the picture. The picture and the word will come up, and so you don't hear me saying a model, you're gonna have to think yourself about putting that L up and making sure you use your tongue to touch the top behind your teeth. Oh. All right, we're ready. Good job learning to say the ul sound today. One last practice. Oh. See you later.